Welcome to Superman Customs.
Guys, welcome back to my channel Superman Customs, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to paint your tappet cover. So this is your tappet cover, and yeah, I'll be showing you guys how to get it. As you can see, the car is in a bit of a state, but we are busy with something on the car, so that's why the car is as it is, and I decided to just make a quick video for you guys on how to paint your tappet cover. So let me get to disassembling and I'll catch you guys in a sec. So guys, for disassembly it's quite simple. All you're gonna do is remove the 10mm bolts that's all around here. So you'll have in total around 8 bolts that you'll need to remove, 4 in the back, 4 in the front, and yeah, as I'm saying, I was busy with the engine previously, so I am busy with something, so it made my job a bit easier. So that's why I decided to do the video. But on your car you'll have your intake manifold here, but that shouldn't be a problem. You'll just have a bracket running from here to your intake manifold. You'll just have to remove the 2 bolts on top here, and yeah, some of y'all might have a cover in the side here. Remove that cover, and don't worry if your tappet cover looks different. This is a 2-liter, that's why it has a different tappet cover. You might have a 1.4, which is a different cover, but the ways to remove it is all the same. You'll have your breather pipe here. Remove that. I have already removed mine. So yeah, let me put you guys in a time lapse of me removing the bolts, and once that is done, I'll catch you guys back. So guys, for the next step, once the cover is out, you're gonna need some wet and dry sandpaper. I'm using a 600 grit, some water, soapy water, a brush to scrub off, and yeah, all you gotta do is sand it down and get ready for paint after. So I'll catch you guys after this time lapse. So guys, I've just finished up the cover, sanding it down, and what I have here is a high heat resistant red. So this is going to be the color that I chose to put on my tappet cover. So yeah, shake it up a bit. I'll add a few coats and then let that dry for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then after that add another coat and just keep going until you get the finish that you desire. And yeah, let me put you guys in a time lapse as I do it, and I'll catch you all after the video. So guys, what you've just seen me put on is a layer of clear. This is just to protect the paint underneath, you know, protect it from dirt and stuff. So I just added a layer of clear coat so it has a nice shine to it, and yeah, the end result is looking perfect. So stay tuned till I fit it back in the car. Let's go. Guys, so I've just completed the installation of the tappet cover back on the car, and I must say it looks amazing with the red tappet cover. And yeah, I do have some ideas for the VW logo on it, but I'll give you all an update in the future video on how's that going. And yeah, as I was saying, it looks beautiful with the red tappet cover. I'll give you guys some cinematics now, and yeah, Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tap the bell icon to turn on notifications. Let's get it. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and tap the bell icon to turn on notifications.